Hi y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around for a while. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the half double crochet. I've already got the chain started. This is just for a little swatch, just to do the tutorial. I'm not making anything with this. If you need help making a chain, I have a tutorial on that. So I've got a chain here of 15. Here's the loop on my hook. I'm going to start with the third, so 1, 2, 3. From the hook, 1, 2, 3. That's where I want to put my hook in. So I'm going to yarn over. Okay, so I've just yarned over, and we're going to do that again. So there's my hook. I'm going to yarn over. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go into the third chain, and you see that I'm going to yarn over again. The yarn is over my hook, so we're going to do that again. Go in there. The yarn is over the hook. I'm going to bring the yarn through. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, and I am going to pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go into the next chain. I'm going to go through. I'm going to yarn over, pull that yarn through. Now I've got 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull through all 3 loops. And so we've made 2 half double crochets. So I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull just through the chain, right? So now you have 3. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into the next one. We're going to yarn over. I've got 3. I'm going to yarn over and go through all 3. And that's how we do the half double crochet. And I'm going to get to the end of this row to show you what we do when we get to the end, okay? When we're going to start a new one. We worked a half double crochet into the last chain, so we're going to chain 1, chain 2, turn our work, and then we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to yarn over, and here's our first stitch. So there's our chain, and then there's the stitch. You see it's not really flat like the other ones, kind of comes up. We're going to go right into that, and we're just going to do the same thing again. Okay, so I worked all the way to this end again, and then we're just going to do it again. 1, we're going to chain 2, we're going to turn our work again, we're going to yarn over and go right back into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through that chain. We got 3 on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And then you just continue doing that for whatever pattern you're creating or whatever pattern you're working with. And that's the half double crochet. And it's bigger than a single crochet and smaller than a double crochet. I hope that helps you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope you've learned something here today. If you have, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. It helps you support the channel, and it's free. Thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful and blessed day till I see you again.